Today I'm finally going to be sharing with you how I stay on top of my laundry. We are a family of 4 and I have finally found a system that keeps us completely caught up on laundry. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, just stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I welcome you here to Carry Grace. Alright guys, so one of my least favorite chores has always been laundry. I used to be really terrible at laundry. When it was just my husband and I was bad at laundry. And then when we had our first son, I was still not great at laundry. By the time our second son came along, I was still not really good at laundry. But over the years, I have found that staying on top of laundry and staying caught up really just reduces a lot of stress. It just makes it easy to get dressed in the morning. Nobody's having to look for anything. Our house feels cleaner, and so I finally decided that it was important. So I was determined to find a way to stay on top of laundry. Now, one of the things that I used to do that kind of was a step to get me to where I am now is I used to do one load of laundry. Now, doing this is good. If that's all you can do, that's okay. But I found that for me, that doing just one load a day, it helped me keep from getting behind, but I never felt like I was completely on top of everything. I still felt like I needed to figure out when I was going to wash towels and when I was going to wash sheets and things like that. So over the last several months, I've really worked at tweaking this and making it work. So what I have started doing is I do 2 loads of laundry every single day, and I do 2 specific loads of laundry every single day. Now, depending on your family setup, and depending on how many people you have in your family, how much of a sorter you are, you can probably tweak this to work well for you. But the way I do it is we are a family of 4. We all have sheets that need to be washed. I have delicates, I have whites, I have things like that. So on Monday, I do 1 load of towels and I do 1 load of colored clothes. And that's the only laundry that I do if I am caught up. Now, if we had a really busy weekend, say we were gone, out of town, just had a lot of friends over, and I just didn't spend the time that I needed to do laundry, then I would use Monday to do a few extra loads to get me completely caught up so that the rest of the week I am completely on top of it. This has just made life so much easier and it's really working well. So today's Monday. It's a very busy day for us. When I left the house this morning, I left really early, so I grabbed a load of towels, I put it in the washing machine, and I put everything in there and did a delayed start so that by the time we got home this afternoon, the clothes would be freshly clean and I could just move them to the dryer. When I did that when we got home, I also had a clean load right here, a clean load of clothes from last night that didn't get folded. Now, typically I like to do it earlier in the day, but it didn't happen last night. So that load of laundry didn't get put away. So I'm going to spend a few minutes folding and hanging up that load of laundry. Then my towels, I just put them in the dryer. And so I took my load of colors that I need to do today and I put them in the washing machine. So here in just a little while, I'll have another 2 loads to fold. I'll get those put away and then my laundry will be done for today. Now, like I said, if I was behind today, I would spend the time to get caught up, but thankfully I stayed on top of it this weekend, so that's really all I have to do. So every single day I do 1 load of colors, which is basically all of our clothes for all 4 of us, and then I do 1 additional load. Today, that additional load is towels. So I'm going to get this laundry folded. Now, I did mention that I am one of those people that really likes to sort things out. That basket in the back is for whites. I think there's 1 pair of socks back there. My basket for colors is empty because that stuff is in the washing machine right now. The spot for my towels is gone right now because those are in the dryer. And I have started a basket full of delicates. These are clothes that I wore yesterday. They're just my clothes that I wash separately on a delicate cycle. Most of them get hung to dry. And then up here, I still have a few things that didn't get put away last night because they weren't quite dry yet. So there's a pair of jeans and then my mop head. But other than that, that stuff in the back is stuff that it's new clothes that have come in and we haven't quite put away yet. But I just have this 1 load of clothes. I've got some empty baskets and my laundry room is not really just covered in laundry. I know I've already mentioned it, but Monday is my day that I do a load of colors, I do a load of towels, and anything that didn't get done over the weekend. This is the day that I seriously get caught up on laundry. It doesn't matter what did or didn't get done on Saturday or Sunday, it gets done today. Let me know down below, do you have a laundry routine that works for you? What do you do to keep laundry caught up? Alright, so for now, everything is folded. These clothes will stay here until this evening when everything is done. And then my kids will put all of their clothes away, and I will put mine and my husband's clothes away. On Tuesday, I like to do a load of colors, and then I also do our master bedroom sheets. I found that when I tried to do all the sheets on one day, it was just too much. It was too many beds to make, and I didn't like doing it that way, so I split it up. And it's one less load to fold because all I have to do is make the bed. We made it to Wednesday, and you can see that my laundry room is still pretty picked up. I just need to do a load of colors and a load of towels, and that is a serious load of towels. Everything is folded and ready to put away, so I will put a lot of this away, and then my kids will put all of their clothes away before they go upstairs for the evening. On Thursdays, I do one load of colored clothes again, and then I do my kids' sheets. The best thing about Thursday is my kids put their own sheets away. They are in charge of making their own bed, so that's one less thing that I have to do. On Fridays, I do one load of colored clothes and one load of towels. On Saturday, I do one load of colored clothes, and then I also do one load of delicates. These are primarily my clothes that I like to hang up to dry. I mostly wash them separate so that I don't forget and accidentally leave them in the dryer. You can see I had a lot of things that needed to dry last night, so I'm going to get these put away, and then I've got 2 loads of laundry to do. I'm going to do a load of cleaning rags and then a load of clothes. If I don't have a lot of clothes to do, but I do have a lot of whites, I will go ahead and do a load of whites so that they are ready for Monday. And now laundry is done for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have worked really hard to tweak our routine to make it make sense for us. I hope it is helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.